The forum is an activity that allows students and teachers to give opinion by posting in a forum this activity. How we enable it is we turn editing on in the top right. We go to any of the topic. We find the forum, click on it, and give it a title. Let's see the configuration options. Availability. You can set up a due date and a cutoff date. The difference between these two is that the first one is just informative. It's kind of it's telling the student the date when they should pause in the forum before that date. But if they don't do, they can still pause until the cutoff date. You can set one or both of them. About the attachment, here you can set the maximum file size in an attachment in a forum post. It is recommended to set this to small, especially in courses where there are a lot of students, because that if you set it too high, you might overload your server. Maximum number of attachment, yes, you can by forum post. By forum post. So I think 9 is a lot. Just normally 2 of them is the maximum. Display word count will just be an informative number in the post that the student can read whenever they are typing, so they know how many words they already wrote. About subscription and tracking, it's important if you set up a forum where you are expecting for a student to exchange opinions about the course or ask questions to each other. It's very important to set this to force subscription because there are other options here. You could have optional subscription, and that would mean that the students could subscribe to this forum if they want to. But most of them, they would not even know how to subscribe to it. Even it is there, but they will just think that they are subscribed and they are not. So don't set it to optional. Um, Set it to force subscription. The once the student is subscribed to the forum, they can post on it, and they will also receive email whenever whenever other student or the teacher is posting. So they can actually see what is happening in the forum just by following their emails. The auto subscription will mean that all the students are subscribed by default when they are enrolling the course, but they can unsubscribe if they want in case they are bothered by so many emails. So then you can set this up. What happens is that sometimes the student will unsubscribe from the forum, and after they are not receiving email, they forgot they unsubscribe, and they will start complaining about the forum is not working and not getting emails and all this. So I will just most of the time set it to force subscription here. Discussion logging. You can log a forum. Well, yes, a forum. You can log it after a certain time without any replies from the students. Um, you can set this to 1 week, maybe, or maybe just don't log the discussion. This is the one I normally use. Um, this setting you can, if you have a student that are posting too much in forums and are too active, and maybe other students may not be participating because they are just intimidated by some users that are posting a lot, and what you want to foster is the participation of most of the students as possible. You could set a blocking here, like to block specific users that are posting a lot. You said, I don't want anyone to post more than 5 posts per day. And I'm going to warn this user after 3 posts. So that will mean when the user posts 3 times in a day, they will receive a message. You are posting a lot and you have just 2 posts left. until 5. Whenever they pause 5 times, they cannot pause anymore this day. They will need to wait until the next day. Or you can set that to a different number of days here. It's possible to create a forum, and sometimes the teachers are using forums as a great activity, and they want the student to be forced to pause and give their opinion, and then they set the grading here. The ratings, also, if the teacher can set a grading, and that grading could be related to could be given by the teachers, or even could be given by other students that really that are rating specific posts from specific students. So it's possible to make the forum a rating activity where all the students are giving different ratings to different posts, and then you get an overall for each of the students, and that could be used in a way that the student is getting a grade. But this is mostly used in very academic institutions, and the rest of the settings are common to the other Moodle activities, so we are not going to look at them. We just need to save and display the forum, and we will be able to see the forum in the course page. Let's see now how the users are seeing the forum and what they can do with it in the course page. So I'm logged in as a student here on the right and as a teacher here on the left. Both of them, when they click in the forum, they will be able to add discussion topics. Let's say that the teacher is going to be the first one, but the student could also be. But let's say that the teacher is going to post a new discussion. You just click the green button. Let's say that the teacher wants for the student to introduce themselves and give their names or whatever to the other users, the student could get to know each other. So please let the post to introduce yourself. Okay, so the teacher is just going to post this to the forum. As you see here, there are 30 minutes to edit the forum, that the post. That means that if the teacher before 30 minutes he want to change what he wrote, he can just go into the post and edit it here. The student will also have this 30 minutes limit to edit it. Okay, the student, now when the student refresh the page, the student will see the post here by well, it's admin user, but the teacher will be the same. So he will see the post by the teacher, he will click on it, he will read it, and he can reply. Hello, yes, blah, 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 and post to the forum. And just to mention that every time that someone posts, all the users in the course are going to also receive an email to the email address they have written in their Moodle profile. So this is, as long as they are subscribed to the forum, they will receive the email. If in case of user complaining that they are receiving a lot of emails, you might study the possibility of setting the forum as a auto subscription. That would means the user is subscribed by default, but if at any moment the user want to unsubscribe because he's bothered by so many emails, there will be an option for the student to go there and unsubscribe, so he will stop receiving emails. Anyway, the student is going to post a reply. As you see here, the teacher is now going to see the reply here. And other students can come in and also post their introductions here, and this is how the forum activity is working.